alaikum viewers. We are here at Dawood University of Engineering Technology, and another guest speaker named Mr. Kamal Imran from Malaysia is present over here with us. Sir, initially I'm thankful to you that you gave time to Engineering Review, and first of all I want to ask you that what is your experience about visiting Pakistan?
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Dawood University for hosting us. This is, a very beautiful campus, and you have a very good, very beautiful faculty members. I'm glad that you have your Vice Chancellor, Dr. Faiz. He is very inspiring, and I fall in love to Pakistan actually. All right, yeah. I get to know Pakistan actually previously about this is an Islamic country, and I'm looking forward to visit Pakistan, and Alhamdulillah I'm very happy here to be here. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Ma'am Masni said she liked the food also. Do you like the food too?
Yeah, really. Yeah, actually, I prior to come here, actually, I went to the one of the mall actually near to the seaside. I think I bought a lot of spices, briny spices, to bring home. Because everybody, when you talk about Pakistan, it's linked with the biryani. They have cooked very well Pakistan biryani. Yeah.
Jokes apart, a brief introduction about your school that you gave in your presentation to the attenders, and now I would like to just ask you to give a brief introduction of your school for our viewers too.
All right. Maybe logistic and transportation is quite strange to this Dawood, because Dawood is well renowned as a technical university. You have a lot of engineering elements here, but when you talk about business, basically University Utara Malaysia is a university for business. And to talk about my faculty is about a School of Technology Management of Logistics and Transportation. Our main focus basically we focus on developing logistic and transportation for inland, for sea, and for the air transportation, whereby there is various aspect of transportation logistic which covers the elements of the distribution, warehousing, inventory management, the production planning, so on and so forth. And we need logistic because logistic management playing a vital role in today's environment. You can see that the ecosystem with a lot of IT, it is going to make the logistic and transportation more efficient and productive.
What are your suggestions to the IT sector of Pakistan? IT sector of Pakistan has been suffering throughout the years, and is it moving upward or just staying on the same side from several years? What are your suggestions to the IT sector of Pakistan? How we can improve in IT sector and why it is necessary?
Well, this is frankly speaking, to be honest with you guys, I think Pakistan is on the right track. While you have a very visionary Prime Minister Imran Khan, I think he has a very good vision towards bringing Pakistan to a new level. And I believe with the new environment of these missions of having Pakistan is good. I believe information technology, the IT, the computers, the software, all this aspect is going to help the Pakistan to be one of the main player in providing the values to the people. But that's why we need to have a lot of brain in this area. I think the Prime Minister Imran Khan should have a more focus in developing the people in the area of computers, because when we talk about the world today, with the coming of Alibaba, Amazon, and the Silicon Valley, now they talk about things like blockchain technology, IoT. Those things basically is part of the IT functions, IT elements. So we need have a focus on this, and I believe Dawood Engineering has all the elements to bring together all these things and make the Pakistan proud.
According to my experience, I think that IT industry and whatever industry it is struggling because there is no proper linkage between industry and academia in Pakistan. So you are from Malaysia. I just want to ask you what the people of Malaysia do, what the educational institutes of Malaysia do to improve this linkage and how important it is.
All right. First of all, you can see that the new education blueprint that was developed by the new government. Recently we have changed the government from the previous government that's ruled the country like 60 years. We have a new government now. The opposition is actually ruling the government, and Alhamdulillah, the changes of government was run smoothly, no fighting. We are fortunate about that. Like what you say, the new education blueprint emphasize on the collaborations of industry and academia. Okay, without the academia, I think the industry is going nowhere because they need the people from the universities, the students, the young generations to be on board with the industries. But without the industry also, the academia won't work. We need to have some kind of mutual kind of perspective. I mean, this kind of win-win. The university should able to collaborate with the industry, and the industry should to leave the value, to give the values, support the university in terms of making the country good, and this collaboration should be done rigorously. You need to send the students to the industry, and the industry people should come, okay, and give the perspective of the current issues about what the trends of education that need to be done, and what are the values that you need to have for the student, for them while after they going out from the university they have a job and they can contribute to the industries. This kind of mutual agreement should be there. Yeah.
Lastly, the message for youth.
Right, my message is very, very strong in terms of you need to emphasize in terms of your aspirations. Pakistani students, the young generation, you need to work hard to bring the country to the new levels, because Pakistan is an Islamic country. You need to portray the values of Islam with a lot of technologies, and I believe your country is on the right track. Okay, and with the young generation that has inspired and have a very strong willing, I believe one day, maybe another 10 years time, Pakistan is going to be a lion of Asia. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure talking to you, sir. This is it for this session. Inshallah, we'll meet in next session.